Okay, so after you pencil your art recreation, I've made many videos on items that I bought at Amazon, including this, what I'm wearing from my damaged hand. So basically, this is like an Amazon house. Everything I've purchased or bought is through Amazon, but that's a whole other video. I don't get paid for this. I just want to show you the quality of these markers. After you pencil in your art recreation, you're gonna want a Sharpie, something ultra fine to finish the rest of the, well, let me just show you. Oh crap, I'm not wearing my reading glasses. Hold on one second. Otherwise, this will not come out right. So make sure you get your lamp for those of you that are as old as I am. So as you can see, after the pencil work, see how much darker the ink is? This is HB and B pencils. These are the only ones that are dark enough, actually light enough, that the ink can cover it. So after doing that, and as sloppy and as funny as it looks, there's many lines missing. This is the original one there, signed by Stan Lee. So I will have to get, after coloring it with blue, I would need to get the white pencil that I have there and go over it. Hopefully that white pencil works. That'll be another review. You will also want to cover whatever logos might be there and use your own imagination. So it only works if you're an artist, otherwise it won't come out right. So this line here actually is part of that. See how easy that was? See how dark it is? That's the black ink over the pencil work. This, of course, is watercolor that I will darken with the Sharpie, which is a permanent marker, which actually fell under the table. But I got extras. That's why I always buy 2 or 3 of everything. But it's pretty messed up that I can't get lime green anywhere. I needed that for a Hulk picture. So the lines that are missing, or the gaps that I purposely left there, are because I need to do those lines. And doing it with pencil and then ink is very hard because you can't even retrace your own work if you're 60 years or older. And I ain't no kid, so this is really hard work. So instead of doing it with pencil first, you would need to do something like, not invisible lines, but you will need to use your own imagination. For example, I will need to think that here, since I left a gap there, I'll need to do something like this in order for that to look okay. Or if the music offends you, just mute it and just look at the artwork. Um, I'm American, but I like to listen to all kinds of stuff. Now here, I left a gap purposely, and that's great. What I'll do here is finish the blank spot that's there. So as you can see, instead of doing that with the pencil, it would not come out right. So I had to do it that way. Now this, the end result would actually look way better. Now keep in mind, this is an odd recreation. I have to make it look the way they used to draw in 1960. Kind of childish, but fun. See? Because I'm drawing from far away, I couldn't even ink my own pencils. There's a gap right there. And that's pretty much it. Leave as much blank as you can without doing pencil work when you're doing an art recreation. when you're recopying it and drawing it on your own board, you have to make sure that you do as very little pencil work as you can so that you can add your own muscular parts to it. You might want to draw some nips on there or a camel toe. I don't know if it's allowed to say words like that, but come on, it's just art. And then maybe add a bit more features to the snow. And there you go. That's my review on Sharpie markers. Ultra sharp, excellent markers.